Oh, 1 point. Oh, 1 point.
The score by Gongcha and Mahbub. To Cabrera. By number 27, Cabrera.
Di ba dinig sa live? Ano ba yun?
Anong pangalan ko? 4-3! Ha? Wow! To number 8. To number 10, Francis 4-3! Player 3 point!
Yan, sa abas lang ulit. Dito.
Nasego.
Tarap.
Flores Piso. Pen to points. By number 7, Respicio. Cabrera to Garcia. To Lee, a.k.a. Mayan. Mayan to Cabrera. No good. Okay. Villanueva looking for the break. Setting again, the play. To De Luna. De Luna. To Barrana. And it's not good. Ball shot by Respicio. Respicio again. Okay, that's a missile. Foul by number 21.
Saan yung 21?
There's a Davis.
Box out, boys. Derek, shooter.
Isa. 7-8. Is Paso Cabrera. Now Cabrera. To Elian. To Wong. Wong. Back to Villar. To Chua. Back to Garcia. And it's not good. Rebound by Chua. What a break. 4-3. Another 4-3. And this time is good. By number 23. Garcia.
Charles.
By Charles.
Yan nasa likod eh. Pag may box, sasabihin sa akin yung
Gaseko to Di Luna, pass to Respicio. There's a foul. Called by referee Cesar. Foul number 2. 3. Villanueva.
First personal foul, first.
It's Villanueva's first personal foul. First team foul. Wow, to Lee, a.k.a. Francis, to okay. Garcia again was blocked.
High post.
To Wong. Wong, already still by Gaseko gets a foul by number 21.
Second.
Wow, second personal foul.
Stop. Second.
Second team foul. Right, There's a substitution. Julian Wong out.
That's me.
Nasego, De Luna.
Kaselo pala yun.
De Luna on three. Yes! De Luna three.
Yuli on three. Good rebound by Yuli. Oh, there's a foul.
There's a foul by number 6, Corona.
Coronas first,
This is Corona's first personal foul.
second,
Second team foul. Julius Baratem is good. Second attempt. Is that good? Rebound by Lop. There's a foul. You are a follow-up shot by Yuli. Foul on number 11, Del Luna.
third.
It's first for Del Luna and third team foul. Another 2 shot for Yuli. First attempt is
On iron.
still not good. Okay. Second attempt. This time is good. Okay. Villanueva. You steal Villanueva. Making the plunge. Took a shot on three. But it's not good. Rebound by Respicio. Respicio getting played. It's still not good. Rebound by Villanueva. What a shot. Villanueva to De Luna. Second attempt on three. This time it's not good. Rebound by Yuli. To Villar. Another three. This time is good. We are 3 points. Alright. Castillo to De Luna. To Villanueva. De Luna back to De Luna. De Luna and Castillo. Castillo penetrates. Spin and pass to Respicio. Now to De Luna. De Luna back to Respicio. Blocked by number 8. Timeout. Concha. Schwab first personal foul. Third team foul. Our score 13-6. Favor of White double C. Alright, back to the ball game. Hello, Respicio on the line. Respicio's first attempt. It's good. Another attempt. Second attempt is. This time is not good. Rebound by number 8. Pass to Lee. Okay, passes. Now to Wong. To Yuli to Garcia on three. It's not good. Rebound by Yuli. Back to Garcia. Up. What a play by number 23. Charles. To Villanueva. Respicio. Bounce. Okay, Charles. Pass to Yuli. What a layup. Too strong. Now Villanueva. Shot. Okay, what a Eurostep. No, it's not a Euro. It's Euro. Now Yuli. Back to Garcia. Garcia. It's still Garcia penetrate. Pass to Tua. Whoop. Block. Rebound by Garcia. Whoop. Hey, still by Francis Andre. Is not good. Too strong. Villanueva. Villanueva. It's still Villanueva. To Villaluna. Villaluna to Villanueva. Villaluna, 5 seconds. To Corona on three. Bam! Corona 3.
Going down.
Charles. To Yuli. Back to Charles. This time to Chua. To Wall. Wall. Whoop. Between the legs. Walk again. To Chua. Chua. Took the shot. And it's good. 7-12.
50 seconds left.
Villanova 3. Charles, see Yuli to Wong. Wong to the shot and it's good. Easy 2 for number 21. Wong.
Somebody get him. Just watch it drive.
Villanova to Libuit. Pass for Espuso. Last touch by number 15, Yuli.
Hey, no fouls, guys.
11 seconds. Another shot clock. Corona! It's not good. Okay.
All the way,
Yuli! And it's not good. Okay, it's Gongcha's goal. 8 seconds. Shot clock is off.
Don't foul.
Push. Foul number 8.
One more time.
Wait. Done. Okay.
Hey, don't foul.
1 second. 1 second.
Watch them off.
In favor of
Tubig.
1915, still in favor of YWC.
Sure, akong tubig imong giinom ba?
May showdown na sayaw dapat sayaw eh.
Kana imo nga ma.
Refill na lang.
Sa Brondal. Okay, pwede ba kayo?
Kami ng game naka-live kami.
Alright.
Oo, paano gusto nyo pakita?
Gusto nyo?
Set up, ano?
Okay, i-interview muna yung viewers.
Ayun na, time.
Sa halftime na raw. Okay. Okay, it's WYC's ball. All right.
Hey, move the ball.
Back to the ball game, 1915. Still YWC. Wall to lead. Taking it way up. Velar.
Play the wing, JB.
Cabrera. Francis Baudry. Okay, rebound by Francis. To Cabrera. To Baudry. And it's goal! to Lacerna. Back to Lacerna. Lacerna, short. Rebound by Kalam.
Relax, relax. Set the ball, set the ball.
To Francis.
Not too deep, JB.
Francis. To Yuli. To Wong. To Chua. Back to Wong. Wong took the shot. Wow. A shot using the board.
Fiberglass.
Good.
I think that's why the shot is called boarding.
Pero, hindi, okay lang daw eh.
Up too strong. Wong.
Set it up. Wait for everybody.
Francis. A.K.A. Lee. Whoop. What a shot. To Cabrera. Whoop. Almost. Lacerna. Solid white.
Offside.
Rebound by Cabrera. This time Cabrera. Pass to Francis. Here we are. To Cabrera. Cabrera. To Yuli. Yuli. Wong on three. Bang! 1 3 points.
Wala tampak.
Na, papasok na. Lacerna sa tres. It's still not good. Now Helan. Helan. To Yuli. Yuli. To Helan again. Cabrera to Wong. Francis for three. Another 3 points by Lee. Mula ng trace.
Defense. Box out, guys.
Lacerna.
Go middle.
To Lacerna again. Another time to 3 seconds.
Box out. Help. Come on, guys. Defense.
Okay, there's a foul. Foul out number 8.
Third, first.
Wow. Third personal foul. First team foul.
First lang.
Team foul.
Okay.
Play the back, bro. Hang on.
First attempt by Full is good.
Get the ball, bro. No one's gonna dribble it.
Rebound by Cabrera.
Bring it middle.
To Charles.
Barkley.
To Wong. Wong penetrate. What a pass to Cabrera. There's a foul by foul on number 2, Gaselo. All right.
Number 2, first.
Gazelo's first personal foul. First team foul. First time by Cabrera is almost good.
Play the back.
Ayun.
Play the top.
Another shot. This time is good. Also 31-16.
Box out.
Gaselo.
Baseline 1. No foul.
Oh, too close. There's a foul. Called by Anthony Charles. Foul on number 21. Wong.
Wong, tatlo na.
Oo.
It's Wong. Third personal foul.
Second. Third, second.
Second team foul. Now to Lacerna.
No more fouls, Jerry.
Lacerna to
Box out.
Gaselo. It was wrong. Charles. Charles looking for Lee. Lee, now to Wong. Wong penetrate. What a pass! What a pass, dude!
There you go, now. You got three.
To Marcos.
Pero nakalagay.
Box out! Box out!
Rebound by Charles. Now Charles. Charles. Charles penetrate! What a shot!
Mayroon.
La Serna. Lucachelo sa tres! Out is out. Not bad. Foul. Foul number 27. Gomcha.
First personal foul, third team foul.
Es Cabrera's first personal foul, third team foul. Okay, 3 minutes and 27 seconds. To the ball game, 25-16 is the favor of YWC. Yung mga gusto magpa-shoutout dyan, lagi lang po sa table. Don't forget to follow our...
Page yung channel.
Don't forget to follow our page and channel, United Cup. United Cup Season 1 in YouTube and Facebook. Okay, don't shot for La Serna.
Hindi yung buto.
Last shot. Alright.
Support.
Just pass around.
Thanks for watching
Drive it in.
United Cup.
Good pass, Charles.
To all of our viewers in the court and in social media, thank you very much for supporting our United Cup Basketball League.
Good deal, Lee.
Midway. Nasema. And one goal by Nasema.
Gotta move your feet.
Foul number 25 Marcos. Okay. Bridges.
First, fourth.
Okay, first personal foul, fourth team foul. Mr. Involtorio, thanks for watching.
Box out, boys.
What a rebound by Ludwig. Now to the center. On three. Ang challenge and it's short.
Go, Roy.
Cabrera. Swung almost killed by La Serna. Whoop! Newly penetrate. Pass to Cabrera. Cabrera using the wood. There's a foul. Foul on number 17. La Serna. It's La Serna's first personal foul. Second team foul. First attempt. It's not good. Second attempt. This time is good.
Baseline,
Alright, you wait. So Otesa by Charles. Now this time La Serna. This game La Serna. 3 seconds. Good. One gone. Cabrera, still Cabrera penetrate. There's a foul. Okay. Wait lang po tayo. Foul on number 8.
7.
Blocking.
Hey, get back, get back.
Substitution. Montesa out. Villanueva
Take a free throw.
in.
Kasi first, debut yan.
Time out, time out.
Okay.
After this.
It's Liquid.
Third. Third, first.
First personal foul.
Third. Team foul.
Oh.
13 foul. Cabrera again. And it's a
Time out.
good
Time out, time out.
foul. YWC. 1 minute and 37 seconds left in our second quarter of the game. Our score 38-20 in favor of YWC.
Sa radyo. Talaga pag ikaw pumunta ka lang, lalagyan mo ng buhay. Kaya kahit boring ang laro, buhay.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Wala namin eh. Di ba nag-time out?
Ano yung YWC?
Pwede yun. Pwede na kasi. Pwede naman. The last 2 seconds lang. Last 2 seconds. The last 2 minutes lang talaga yun. Pwede yun. Hindi, sa fourth quarter.
Villanueva. To La Serna. La Serna penetrates. Pass to the break. 3 seconds.
Offside!
Marcelo. Shot. 38-22.
Kanina ka 20 na habol.
Cut, offside!
Villanueva. Foul number 21. Warning for graduate. It's fourth personal foul. Substitution.
Seems like a bad call.
Penalty.
Your hand's down there. There. Bad call, man. The guy in the seat, the monkey.
Cabrera
Bring it in the middle. Pass the ball first.
to Charles. Charles to Marco. Duraka. By the way, now Chua was fouled. Is fouled by number 2, Gachello.
Too slow of a shot. You gotta go up faster.
Warning for
Cut
penalty.
middle.
Is Gachello second personal foul. Chua took the shot.
Get back.
La Serna.
Help. Get the ball. Somebody get the ball. Come on,
It's
guys.
still by La Serna again.
Last one.
La Serna is on fire. Oh, what a drive. Villanueva. Oh, and about second quarter. Shout out for Richie Gillian Garganera. Parang kilala ko dito niyan. Okay. Sa ating mga viewers. Shout out din po kay Okay, wala na. Shout out sa'yo. Thanks for watching. one of our good players. Okay, may lalo sila mamaya sa third quarter. Watch out mga viewers. Okay, John Robert Casanyas. Shout out to you. And Rob Given Masadiba Blanco. Parang yan yung guwapin, yun ba yun? And of course, one of the star player among Filipinos, Al Jalhari, that 3-point shot guy. That's Stephen Curry out in the right. Okay. Okay, third quarter. Score 30-29. Still, YW save. Punong-puno ang arena ng Ari. Okay, Villanueva. Villanueva to Libuet. Libuet penetrate. What a layup, but it's not good. Rebound by Charles. Charles making it good. Oh, what a pass. Rebound by Cabrera. Too small.
Hey, good drive, good drive. Let's get back on the
Okay. Nasser burning. It's on fire. Yuli. Pass to Cabrera. Pass to Francis. To Yuli to Chua. What a pass. What a play. 2 points, right number 8. Chua. To our regular and original announcer of the day, Mr. Tang Buadilla, ang boses ng United. Lacerna sa 3! Hoy! Ininaw din ang kabisa! Nice rebound by Mr. Repiso. Ginawang sausawan. Oh, what a skill! What a defense by Mr. Sanchelo. Villanueva! Parang si Reggie Rivero. Kaya lang naagaw. Oh! Nice pass, bad catch.
Hey, when you get the ball, bring it to the middle. Don't dribble down the sideline. So that you got it.
Okay, substitution. Godzilla out, Crown in.
Corona. Crown. In English. Coronier.
Hoy! Lacerna. Torres Piso. And the it's getting close. 5 points left. Yuli. Cabrera back to Yuli. Yuli play the three. Good. Minaw by Yuli. Now to Lacerna. Lacerna. Almost. Foul on number 23. First personal foul. First. Team foul. 5 points na lang po ang natitira.
Pagkainin ng tinapay yan. Bigyan ng tinapay yan.
Time out is over. Back to the ball game.
Maraming tubig dito.
Yes, Lacerna.
Give daw. Oo.
First time.
Buti pa si Madam may booking na.
Lacerna's first is good. Yole. Back to Chua. That is not good. Rebound by Lacerna. Lacerna. It's good. Lacerna is really on fire. That's blocked. Respicio. Alright. Case favor. Rabonsa leading by 1 point. Libuet to Villanueva. Uy! Ginagawa pa.
Isa pa lang gamit ko. Hindi, cross quarter, isa lang. Tapos?
Pag fourth, dalawa, sir.
Isa lang.
Pag fourth yung dalawa.
Alam ko, nag-carry over. Hindi carry over.
Shot! Substitution. Dilo na rin. Lacerna.
Baliktad yung takbo eh. Matras eh. Kala ko ako na nakapansin.
Villanueva. Sa tres! Uy! Kitang-kita sa CCTV. Number 6. Pushing.
Cross the ball, but don't rush. Don't rush the ball, guys. When you cross it, you don't have to go. Just pass it.
Second personal foul by Corona. First team foul. Charles.
Get the ball, Francis. Francis, get the ball.
Kitang-kita sa CCTV. Okay.
Continue.
Corona was fouled by number 23, Charles. Substitution. Charles won't win.
Sikan yan.
It's Charles' second personal foul.
Reset, guys.
Corona on the line. First attempt is not good. Mr. Teng Buadia, another shout out. Love you, Teng. And Mr. Nolis Apollo, thank you for watching.
Go down, Josh. Don't pick up your dribble. Francis. Don't pick up your dribble. Just bring it down first.
Villanueva to Respicio.
Down.
And he loses it.
Really help.
Cabrera.
Don't rush, just cross the ball.
Wow. Yuli.
Pass.
Cabrera. Oh, Francis Fonsi. And it's not good. Rebound by Luna. Luna to Respicio. Not good. Rebound by Wong.
Take your time.
Francis. It's still not good. Rebound by Cabrera. Cabrera to Yuli. Another Yuli.
Foul, ref.
Still Desales Cabrera. And foul by number.
Good move.
Foul by number 8.
Go back.
Second.
It's Liquid second personal foul. Second team foul. Ang ganda ng laban.
Ang sarap ligawan.
Okay. Second attempt.
Very good.
It's
Nice shot.
by Cabrera.
Relax, boys.
JV Cabrera. Nag-iingat ka talaga rito pag nandito ako sa loob.
boys. No foul, Terry.
Okay, shot clock violation.
Watch the press, Cut middle. Jimmy, get the ball.
Intercept by De Luna sa scoring. Go, rebound by Respicio.
Cut middle. We need someone in the middle, Jim. Get it.
Francis. To Yuli. Yuli, penetrate. To Cabrera.
Nice one.
Using the board. Using the glass. Alright. Okay. Corona.
Stay low. Watch the drive.
Corona penetrate. And Lampay, Corona. Foul on number 13. Yuli.
First, third.
Substitution rep.
First, third.
First personal foul by Yuli. 13 foul.
Box shooter. Come on, guys.
Oi! Cabrera. Yuli! What a game. What a play between Cabrera and Yuli. Mga galawan na parang pinag-practicean. Libuit.
Just stay low. Stay
De Luna. Libuit. Oi! Corona.
Terry.
And it's good. Nothing but net.
Relax. Hey, set the ball.
Cabrera. Surya. Back to Wall.
5
10
middle.
seconds. 5.
4, 3, 2.
And it's
Get back.
good.
Hey, no more foul.
Abio.
Stay low. You can rest.
De Luna.
Just watch the drive. You're just gonna drive. Watch the high post.
To Abrio. Abrio sa tres. And it's not good.
Down. 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Nice one.
What a play. And about third quarter. What a play between Wong and Cabrera.
Dapat
Mister.
Magaling si Cabrera mo.
Deadlock na yun. 50-50 ang lawan. Hindi malaman kung sino magwawago sa labanan. Pareho kasing ginalingan.
bigyan ng jacket yan.
Bigyan. Okay, back to the ball game.
Magaling mag-flip top eh. Bigyan ng jacket yan.
Parang Rooney.
Ay, shout out again. Okay, Mr. JP Baltimore. Thank you for watching. Okay. Fourth and final quarter.
No more turnovers. Just help Charles.
50-50.
Screen. Terry. Set a screen.
Wall. To Charles. Now to Julius. Now to
One screen, guys. One screen. Charles is open.
Rebound sa din. Rebound by Garcia.
Get back.
Rebound by
Stop the ball, you need.
Lacerna. Let's see, whether Lacerna is still on fire.
Stay low. Watch the drive.
Lacerna. Kiriya Eva. Cancelo.
Relax. Just get the ball. Let's cross it first. We got time. Move it.
Tua penetrate to the spin and lose it. New ball by number 8.
Relax.
Okay, this one is Villanueva.
Baseline, you got one.
Villanueva.
No high post, no high post.
Still Villanueva. Villanueva sa trend! Defense up high. To Francis. He's gone. This time Francis. And one wala. Kaliwa. Agad.
No high post, guys.
Alright.
Pick him up, pick him up, pick him up. Derry, get up, Derry, get up.
De Luna to Paul. What a play! Pick and roll. Between Paul and De Luna. Mga dalawan na parang pinagpraktisan nung ginamit sa laro na i-score lang. 2 points. This time it's long to Yule. Yule to Chua. And one play by Chua. Foul number 3. Villanueva. Villanueva second personal foul. First team foul. Borjan Borja Chua. Score natin 54-54 pa rin. This time, substitution red. Restitution Villanueva. Out. Four out. Nagbago ng isip. Hindi nagkaintindihan. Iba ang pinalitan. Buti na lang nabalikan. Villanueva nasa loob pa rin.
Baseline, baseline.
Okay, Lacerna. Lacerna, nagpaplano. Binigay kay De Luna, pass to De Luna. Now De Luna. De Luna looking for a teammate. Back to De Luna. De Luna took the shot. And it's not good. 7 minutes and 26 seconds.
Go down, go down.
Wow. To Yuli.
Relax, relax. Just cross the ball first. Don't pick up your dribble.
To Francis.
Screen.
To Charles. To Yuli.
Okay, get back. Talk, get back, talk. No foul.
Villanueva. Number 31. Technical foul.
Graduate na?
Wow. You're fouled out. Fouled out.
Yung kanina, sinong foul?
Rep, who's fouled just now? Who's fouled? Number 10.
First.
Okay.
Just cross the ball.
No jumper. Technical shot first.
Relax. Don't panic.
Number 10, first personal foul, second team foul.
Cross the ball.
Second foul is good.
Kaya na naman.
Another deadlock, 55-55. Okay. Sideline.
Hey, no more fouls, guys.
Lacerna. Pass to Villanueva. 10 seconds.
No high post. Get up, JB. Get up.
Gachero.
Pick it up. Get it, JB. Down, Yuli, down. Go down, Yuli.
What happened?
Full extension, full like I see. Look, he said like that also.
Hey, sit down.
Sit down. Coach.
That's us four, man.
Regular foul number 8 and number 13. Number 2.
Technical second motion.
Why is there only a warning? How is there no warning in just now? The first one, there's no warning?
Okay, baka kasi yung ano doon.
But it's still unsportsmanlike. Hindi kasi may follow na dito. Basican motion mo siya eh.
It doesn't matter. You can't have it both ways. How is there no warning the first time? Come on, ref. Relax. Just get the ball first. Don't rush your shots. Screen.
Cabrera, back to Riyad. 10 seconds.
8, 7.
Francis for 3.
Get back.
Julie.
Nice, Julie.
And 2
Get back. No more foul, boys.
2 points, I think 2 points. By Julie.
3 points meron.
No foul. Just stay low.
Lacerna, 10 seconds. Respicio, that is not good. Oh! Substitution. Libuetin, Villanueva out. Gassello to De Luna to Libuet, 10 seconds. Libuet, rebound by Charles. Now Charles to Francis penetrate and it's short. Rebound by Yuri. Charles again. It's still not good. Now rebound by Lacerna. Rebound by Cabrera. Now to Yuri. To Francis.
Wrong pass. Screen. Set a screen.
Francis.
And 1. 2 shots.
Foul number 7. Wait. Foul number 8. Sub. Alright. Relax. Is number 8. Third personal foul. Second team foul.
May foul lang na dito kanina eh.
Third team foul.
Hindi, may foul na dito una. Second motion mo yung...
Nice one.
Okay.
Huwag ka muna.
Stay low. He won't drive.
Okay, Lacerna. Parang championship ang laban. Hindi naman ako kasali, pero ako'y kinakabahan. De Luna, 10 seconds. Corona penetrate. It's not good. Rebound by Corona again. Using the catch. 2 points by number 6, Corona. 12. Oh, still by Corona. What a play by Corona. Yuli. What a shot by Cabrera. Open, walang depensa. De Lacerna. Yan si Lacerna. Binalik kay Corona. Kay De Luna. Puro sila na. Corona. Umikot. Lumabas. Rebound by Cabrera. Hoy, tinabon sa labas. Pinasa kay Philip. Out of bounds. Alright. Muntik ng tamaan ng ating magagandang talaga. Alright, Lacerna. Ala ko, ititira na. Binigay kay Corona. Binalik kay Lacerna. Lacerna lang. Kay Respicio! Yuli, Domeracho! So Francis, sa tres! personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Napagod sa ako rito kasi pagre-ready.
Okay, personal foul is good. Juliana Galan.
Get back, get back, get back.
Luna.
No more fouls, no more fouls.
Luna, to Lacerna.
Just stay low, stay low. He's not going to shoot the screen.
Lacerna. Wala nang aboy. Uy, ang ganda ng pasa. Kay Respicio pala. Akala ko kay Ligwet. Nabitawa, meron na maganda. Kaya kayo, pag naniligaw at sumablay,
Hand off, hand off.
Uy! Pasa pala yun.
Nice one.
What a shot by Cabrera. Foul on number 11. Luna.
Oh, penalty.
Penalty. Mahusay talaga sumunod si Cabrera. Yan agad. Uy, parang sinukat. Saktong-sakto. Walang labis, walang bulan. Cabrera. Ang pakalang tira, mas lalo. Net lang. Ang tinamaan. Nating back net. Ika nga nila. Shout out kay Mr.
He scored the last two.
Wahid. Rabi Almasin. Shout out sa'yo. Thank you for watching. Lacerna.
Don't let him get it, don't let him get it.
Lacerna. So, Diluna. 5 seconds. Lacerna. Medyo malakas. Naribaw ng Corona. Binalik kay Lacerna. Lacerna. 10 seconds. Lacerna. Diluna. So, rebound by Francis. Francis with a speed. Respicio. Respicio ang umaharang kay William. Binigay kay JD. JD, nag-iisip. Walang mag-isip. 10 seconds. Julie penetrate. Sisua. Yosin the glasses. Not good. Rebound by Charles. Uy! Charles shot. This time, Lacerna. Lacerna to Respicio. Alright, 1 minute and 30 seconds in our fourth and final quarter of the game.
Kasi sunod lang dua.
Okay, back to the ball game. Patas ng laundry, scam. Wait, focus. Okay, back to the ball game.
Pero yung pakailan na, nakasit na kahit nanalo mo talo eh.
Screen.
Okay, Garcia. Uy, gandang matakawan. Yuli. 10 seconds. Yuli penetrate. It's a foul and one play by Yuli. Foul on number 6.
Get back. Stop.
Corona. It's Corona's fourth personal foul. Wakan for Gary Matosi. Wow. Yuli. One shot. And it's good. Okay, 1 minute and 10 seconds. Lacerna. 10 seconds. Lacerna, Diluna, Corona sa 3. Libuit. 2 point lead. Okay, Lacerda, 14 seconds. 14. 10 seconds. Lacerda. To Libuit. To Las Special. Wait.
Show.
Okay, there's no foul. Just the last touch.
Mag-CS to.
Wala. Nababalan. Wala mag-volunteer. Upo tayo. Charles. Amiskin. Charles. Toyolo. Sadrid. You are a shot. This time WC. YWC is leading ahead points. With 9 seconds left in our game clock. Si Cesar, out of bounds ang tawag, sir. Out of bounds. Huwag niyong i-bounce ang bola, baka malito ang mga player. Okay, with 9 seconds left. Respiso for the win!
Come out. Pagka ganun, pindot agad kasi walang oras ba? I-come out mo agad.
What a game! Yung pong mga bata, baka pumasok ko saan, baka pumasaktan.
Wala na tayo mga dyan, di ba?
Wala na.
Penalty na?
Yuli.
Yes.
Penalty.
Yuli. Here. Middle, Yuli. Go. Take a shot.
Sir, tapos na, sir. 3 seconds. Wala na mo.
Wala na.
Okay, what a game. 72-71. Congratulations to the winner. Winning by 1 point, 72-71.
Tristan Lacerda.
Our best player of the game. The guy on fire, Mr. Tristan Lacerda. Okay, asan ang certificate?
Certificate dong.
Okay, Mr. Tristan. You're the man of the game. Alright, hindi daw magpapakain dyan. Nasa na?
Wait.
Okay.
Dagay on fire.
Lima.
Pangalan mo. Pangalan.